Another requirement of closing is that you must set up utility accounts and provide proof via either an account number or a welcome email to your lawyer. Yes, even if you plan to rent out the unit. Because while your unit is empty and vacant, you're on the hook for the utilities. But once a tenant moves in, then they usually take over the account and responsibility to pay. Many providers in Alberta need 3 to 4 weeks for a new account setup, so do it early. What utilities are required is different depending on the type of housing. Check with your contract, but usually for condos, electricity, or hydro as it's normally known, needs to be set up. For houses and townhomes, you're also going to need to add gas and water accounts. The most common utility provider amongst my clients is NMAX, but you have the power to choose your electricity retailer, and there are many providers that you can choose from, so shop around. You're also going to need to select the length of your service contract and between a fixed or variable electricity rate. This is foreign to people from Ontario and BC. It doesn't work like that in those provinces. If you're renting the unit or planning to sell it, consider a provider that does not charge you an account setup or cancellation fee. If you're in a condo, there's no setup usually needed for water, garbage, or recycling. Your condo building is going to handle it. If you're in a house, though, then you generally have to contact the city to set up the water and garbage collection services. And for houses, you're also going to need to set up a mailbox. So check your welcome package for directions there. Are you in a rental guarantee with Truman Homes? Well, most people don't realize that during the rental guarantee period, the landlord is responsible for paying all of the utilities, which can be as little as $50 a month for one-bedroom condos to over $400 a month for townhomes and houses.